Alright, so for building RESTful APIs using NestJS, there are some prerequisite tools that you need to have in your system before actually starting development in NestJS. One of them is Node.js, so just go to the nodejs.org website and grab the latest LTS version, whatever it is available. At the time of recording this video, I do have this 22.18.0, but feel free actually to go ahead, install the latest LTS whatever it is available in here. The second tool that we will use for writing codes is of the professional developer prefer to use, that is VS Code. So just go and download the VS Code for whatever operating system that you are using. I'm in Windows, so I'll be downloading it from here. The third tool that we will be using for source control is Git. That is also mandatory for professional software development. Just go ahead and download from this and just click on the executable file that you will get and install it by following all the default options that you see in the wizard. The next tool for API testing is Postman. It may ask you, in fact, or prompt you to create an account and log in into the account. Just feel free to go to do that. And the next tool for data storage, we will be using MongoDB. So there are a couple of options actually that we can use MongoDB Atlas for hosting our database online on the cloud. But for the purpose of this tutorial, what we will be using is the MongoDB. Just go to the product and go for the community edition and just download and install this community edition. This community edition comes with one handy tool, that is MongoDB Compass, that obviously help us to interact with the database through GUI. So these are the prerequisite tools that you need to have in your system in order to actually go along with the NestJS course. So I do have all these softwares already downloaded in my system, so I'll not be doing it again. But if you face any problem or any issue, in fact, during the installation, just make sure to comment that issue section of this video. I'll try to actually solve your problem. So with that thing, let's get started with our first video in the NestJS.